and their guests today. Start your journey from the courtyard. In the house, every room is filled with aspects of Petworth's extraordinary collection, and our volunteer room guides are happy to answer any questions you may have. Alternatively, you can explore the servants' quarters to learn more about the lives of those who work below stairs. The historic kitchen displays cooking styles that span over 500 years, from the open-fire Tudor roasting range to the Victorian steam ovens. In the servants' quarters, you'll also find a gift shop, the toilets, and the audit room cafe. From here, it's just a short walk into Petworth town. Outdoors, you can explore the 700 acres of the Lancelot Capability Ground Landscape Deer Park and Pleasure Ground. Inside, you can discover the views that inspired some of J.M.W. Turner's works here in Petworth. Or take a stroll and see the ancient trees of the park. In the Pleasure Ground, you can explore the fascinating monuments introduced by the landscape gardener and enjoy our ever-growing range of seasonal colour. What makes Petworth truly unique is that the collection has survived for the last 900 years. In 1947, Petworth House was gifted to the National Trust, beginning a relationship that ensured Petworth and its collection would be protected and conserved for future generations to see and enjoy. Your membership, gift aid donation, and your purchases in the shop and cafe support Petworth, so we can continue looking after this special place. From the art to the landscape, Petworth House and Park tells the story of just one family and their journey through the turbulence of the Tudor Reformation, the Gunpowder Plot, and the Napoleonic Wars. Where will your visit today take you?
you.